Agent, RAG, MCP, tokens. If those words sound like a foreign language, here's some good news. Picture a brilliant librarian behind a wall who can only finish whatever is written on a single note. Almost every AI buzzword is just describing the note, or the helper who runs errands for the librarian. Meet the cast. Most people think you have to memorize every new term to keep up. You don't. That is the misconception. The reality is far simpler. Every single buzzword, past and present, is doing one of just two things: making the note better or handling the legwork so the librarian is bothered less often. Learn those two moves and the jargon stops being scary. Here is the decode trick in action. When a new term turns up, ask one question. Is this making the note better, or is this handling work the librarian does not need to do? Context, memory, RAG, and web search all make the note better. Agents, workflows, and skills all handle the legwork. Run a term up the ladder and it lands on one side or the other, every time. This is exactly how AI Tutors is built. Behind every professor is the same picture: a clever model getting the right note, with a runner handling all the legwork families never see. The whole system of librarian, runner, note, and slot is packaged so a 12-year-old can just open it and ask a question. Thoughtful AI, with the machinery kept invisible. And thoughtful AI watches the child, not just the worksheet. Mentor checks energy first. Green means push on. Amber means lighter work tonight. Red can mean rest, because a tired mind cannot learn well. Well-being comes before any buzzword. We are now inviting the first 100 founding member families. It does not replace a great teacher, and it never will. But for an AI tutor built thoughtfully, with all the jargon handled for you, you are warmly welcome to aitutors.me. Learn more at aitutors.me.